Welcome to the best picks. The best rum is probably one of the most versatile and intriguing spirits in the world, boasting a history as rich and complex as its flavor profiles. From the light and subtly sweet to the dark and intensely bold, rum offers an unparalleled sensory journey, shaped by the sugarcane's origins, the distillation methods, and the aging processes. This exploration into the world of rum will guide you through the nuances of this captivating spirit, helping you discover your perfect pour. Number 5. Viking Revolution Beard Oil. Gentlemen, get ready to experience the ultimate beard care. This oil will transform your beard, leaving it soft, manageable, and looking its best. Say goodbye to unruly, frizzy beards. It softens and conditions even the most stubborn facial hair, making it smooth and comfortable all day long. No more itchy, scratchy beard. A few drops of this oil will eliminate beard rough and leave your skin feeling healthy and nourished. We use only the finest natural ingredients, including argan and jojoba oils, to create a powerful blend that strengthens and moisturizes your beard. We're confident you'll love the results. If not, simply contact us, and we'll make it right. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. With a soft, shiny, and healthy-looking beard, you'll be turning heads and feeling confident. It's time to unleash your inner Viking. What we like. If you have a dry, brittle beard, this is the product for you. It'll leave your beard feeling soft and conditioned, thanks to its all-natural ingredients. If you're looking for a way to tame your beard and make it more manageable, this beard oil is an excellent choice. What people say. It makes my beard soft and manageable while keeping it hydrated. The sandalwood scent is amazing, not too strong but really nice. This oil is moisturizing and less is more. He said, he loves the smell, it's neutral but smells fresh and manly, not overpowering. He said, it really tames his beard, makes it look good, it feels moisturizing and good. The oils offer a beautiful hint of the scent without an overpowering smell. They absorb nicely into the skin to keep it moist and fresh. Beard oil is used to moisturize the skin beneath the beard, assisting in growth to maintain healthy hair and eliminate beard rough, beard dandruff. Number 4. Viking Revolution Beard Balm. Gentlemen, get ready to tame even the most stubborn beard with our revolutionary beard balm. It's formulated with high-quality ingredients to restore, shape, and condition your facial hair. This balm will give you the confidence to take on anything. Feel the difference, look your best, and unleash your inner Viking. No more itchy, scratchy beards. Simply massage a small amount into your beard and skin. It provides all-day conditioning and leaves your beard feeling and looking fantastic. It's made with premium argan oil, jojoba oil, mango butter, and beeswax. Enjoy a non-greasy, naturally conditioned beard all day long. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. If you want to style and shape your beard, this beard balm is perfect. It provides a strong hold without feeling greasy, and conditions your beard at the same time. If you are looking for a product that will help you achieve a well-groomed look, this is the one for you. What people say. This smells fantastic and leaves my beard feeling softer and gives it a little shine. It's very easy to apply and works well into the hair. Any leftover product on your hands washes off with ease for a quick cleanup. After my daily shower, I apply a small amount of this balm, and it has significantly improved the texture and appearance of my beard. The majestic oud fragrance is subtle yet sophisticated, making my beard smell fresh without being overpowering. It leaves my beard soft but not greasy. It keeps my beard moisturized and helps manage any stray hairs, giving it a more polished look. The consistency is just right, making it easy to apply and distribute evenly throughout my beard. Number 3. Cook's Pure Rum Extract. It's the perfect way to add a bold, dark, and smooth rum flavor to all your baking and desserts. Distilled from dark Jamaican rum, it delivers intense flavor without the added alcohol. This extract is fantastic in cookies, cakes, ice cream, and candies. It provides a rich, authentic rum taste that will elevate your recipes. It's free of sugar, gluten, allergens, and is both vegan and kosher. Enjoy the intense rum flavor without any unwanted additives. It comes in a convenient, resealable amber glass bottle to ensure freshness and easy storage. This protects its quality and flavor. It's available in a range of sizes, from a convenient 4-ounce bottle to a larger 128-ounce bottle, perfect for any baking need. Find the perfect size for you. Add a touch of the Caribbean to your next culinary creation. Experience the difference of pure, intense rum flavor. What we like. If you love the taste of rum but don't want the alcohol, this extract is perfect for baking and cooking. It provides an intense rum flavor without any added liquid or alcohol. If you're looking for a way to add a delicious rum flavor to your desserts, this is a must-have. What people say. I used the rum extract to make eggnog creamer for my coffee. As soon as I opened the bottle, it smelled so good. The creamer turned out great too. This product is great. I love baking with it. The flavor stays in even after baking. I am very pleased with the flavor as well as the aroma of this extract. Will certainly purchase again. Highly recommend. Number 2. Malin+Goetz Luxury Candles. Experience the exquisite fragrance and long-lasting burn of our all-natural candles. They're hand-poured with a luxurious wax blend for an unparalleled sensory experience. These candles fill your space with rich, captivating aromas. The scent is intense yet sophisticated, creating a truly immersive experience. Enjoy up to 60 hours of luxurious fragrance. It's a slow and steady burn, allowing you to savor the scent for longer. Made with all natural ingredients, these candles are a clean and healthy way to enhance your home's ambience. They are carefully crafted for your enjoyment. Each candle is lovingly hand-poured, ensuring the highest quality and attention to detail. The luxurious wax blend provides a clean and even burn. Looking for a thoughtful present? This candle set makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. It's beautifully packaged and sure to impress. With a generous 9-ounce size, it provides ample time to enjoy the captivating fragrance and ambience. It's the perfect way to unwind and relax. What we like. If you appreciate high-quality, long-lasting scents, this candle is for you. It's made with a luxury wax blend and has a highly scented, slow burn. If you are looking for a way to create a relaxing and luxurious atmosphere, this candle is an excellent choice. What people say. The vessel is a very simple design and fits in with almost any decor. The scent fills the room and there is no smoke like some other candles have. It takes very little time to fill the room. Was worried it would be overly sweet, but it is more spicy and definitely makes me feel like I'm on vacation. Number 1. WillsCoo Alcohol Infusion Kit. Unleash your inner mixologist. It's easy to create unique, delicious drinks with natural ingredients and your favorite alcohol base. This kit provides 12 diverse infusion materials. Experiment and discover your perfect flavor combinations. Wow your friends and family with your homemade infused spirits and cocktails. They'll be amazed by your creations. Explore exciting flavor combinations you won't find in stores. It's a journey of taste discovery. It comes in a beautiful gift package, making it an ideal present for any occasion. Give the gift of unique flavor. With this kit, you can craft personalized spirits tailored to your preferences. Let your creativity flow. What we like. If you enjoy experimenting with unique flavors, this kit is perfect for you. It allows you to create your own infused spirits using natural ingredients and any alcohol base. If you're looking for a fun and creative way to make your own drinks, this kit is a great option. What people say. Everything is of a very nice quality. It was really hard for me to impress them until I found this product because they literally have everything a man of family needs and wants. Quality was good and it was a lot fun to taste. No leakage, everything was perfectly sealed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.